If you like to keep your car washed and you don't like to go to the car wash, well, check out this pressure washer gun. This thing is incredible, and we're gonna wash this car right here. First things first, you have your soapy water dispenser. So if you wanna get that foam, you're gonna put that up here. This is the pressure washer itself, and it has 21-volt batteries. It does come with 2 batteries, easy to charge. It comes with a case to put it all in, and you have all of the adapters to your hoses. Now, one of the cool things is if you don't have a hose, you can use their 5-meter hose right here. You can pop it on there. And then also on the other end of that, you can put this filter on it. So if you're near a pond or a lake, you could just throw the other end into that. It'll suck up the water from there and use the filter to make sure there's nothing like, rocks or anything like that that get in there. That's a very cool option if you don't have a hose. So we'll put this on the end of our hose here. Now check this out, just clips on like that. So here we go, we are getting the soapy water out. So we're gonna soap it all up. And then we have the nozzle for the pressure washer here. We're gonna push in and twist. You get stronger ones. I will say prepare to get a little bit wet when you do this, so the nozzle has a bunch of different spray functions, and you have some really powerful ones. You have 40 degrees, 25 degrees, 15 degrees, 0 degrees, and just like a shower spray, or just that really tough, really strong. If you have some dead bugs on there, you really got to scrape off, you can use the hard ones. So if you're looking to wash your car, this is a great pressure washer. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.